Okay, hey guys. Let's go to have a quick look and see how the market is shaping up after the horrendous movements we had on yesterday. So yesterday I jumped in on a lot of this stuff as I thought yesterday was Thursday, funnily enough, and made a few quid out of it. So we had this huge spike up here yesterday, and we've had this big retracement today. So we had that um, movement of what was that? That was 1.5% already, and then today and between yesterday and today, we've had a retracement of 1%. So overall, it's come back about 50% from where it was. Okay. So this is not something that we're looking to trade here. Absolutely not. I don't like the look of it. I don't like to see it, what's going on. Nope, not for us. So I'm looking for something to trade on the smaller time frame. So again, this is pretty flat here, and this is in phase two. So this is not something I'm looking to trade. I'm going with the trend. Euro. If we look at euro again, we had this spike here, and we wanted to hit here and then bounce up. It hasn't. It's broken through that level. So again, there's nothing going on here. Um, GBP USD again, look, nothing going on. We had that massive spike here, which is really nice, and then pulled back. Nope. This is the trade that we took. Here was NZD USD, popped up, hit that ceiling, and now look, it's come back down again. Now this one, we do actually have a decent enough floor here. Okay, we have a decent enough floor here. We have that. That's what that is there. It looks lovely. Bounce, bounce, retest, and look, we're back here again. So there is a potential trade long on that. On the 4 hour, there's no shorter time frame trade. There's no nothing there, but entry will be above that bar. Stop loss will be below it there. Now, the way this is looking, the probability of you getting triggered in here is pretty slim. Pretty slim. It looks like there's just momentum to the downside at the minute, but this one is something that has potential to run on that. USD JPY. Look, we had a complete reversal on this from yesterday to today. And we're back up. We're back up here. Nothing we can do on this on any time frame. It potentially, if it breaks and retests here, then you get in along on that. But that's the only place we take a trade along on that. Similarly with this, a break and retest on this, but this is heading in an upward direction. We have the overall momentum going up. We're in this phase one. We've had that pullback. We can drop down onto the smaller time frames on this. Okay, so if this pulls back to here and gives us a nice price action bar, there is actually a potential trade there, and the stop loss goes below this one here. We have to leave it there, let that there, entry, stop loss, and then go from there. So that's the trade, that's the potential trade on that. But at this present moment, no. USD CHF. Again, this is a downward momentum. It's heading up, so this is a no. Euro CHF, nope again. But there is a potential 4 hour trade to the downside there. It did break, retest this level. It's not quite there on the smaller time frame yet. Euro GBP, nope. Even though you'd expect this to continue going down here. Okay, cool. So Euro CAD, and nope, it's an upward trend, so no. Okay, so Euro Aussie looks like a decent little short. So now let's see if we can look at the smaller time frames here. So down onto the 30 minutes. So in this particular scenario, we want a break and retest of that structure. So if we get that, there is a potential trade at that point. Comes back to there. So that's what I'm looking for on this. So looking for this to short. I'm gonna pop that into the chat as well. 4x. Euro NZD. Let me pop back up onto the 4 hour. But again, this one actually it looks like it's going to continue again. So down onto the smaller time frames. This looks like it's in the beginning of phase one. And around there. So if we get a pull back into that level there, that'll be the next sell. Or there, we would have a break and retest of that. So for breaks and retests. So either of those two levels there would be the next short area on this. Euro USD, nope. Euro JPY, nope. GBP JPY, nope. GBP Aussie, nope. No. So GBP NZD, this looks like it's in that phase one as well. So if we drop down to the 30 minutes, okay, there was actually a trade there. Off that support and resistance, short underneath that, and stop loss there. Take profit there. I will take that one. Let me pull up MT5. So we have the overall momentum going down. We have a clear floor down here to aim for. Momentum's going down. We had a phase one, phase two. This looks like the beginning of the phase one to the downside. Happy to place this. Happy to have a look at it. Yes, and let's get this set up. So this is GBP NZD. Let me pull this up. GBP NZD. Have I GBP NZD there? Nope, I don't. So GBP NZD, enter, bring it over here. Let's have a look at this on the 30 minutes. Zoom in. Okay. And this is a short position. And this is not instant. So entries there, stop loss is there. I'm happy to do that. And then the take profit is down here. Okay, new order. It says 1% here. Let's put 0.25 in this and new order. So this is a pending order. This is a sell stop. Volume that I'm getting on this is 1.55. Price is here. So it's 2.068. Stop loss is here, is 2.07061, and the take profit is here as well. Place. Okay, so that's data order placed in there. I'm just popping this now into the group. Under Henry's trades. Let me pull up this here again, copy that. Took it short. Entry is stop loss. TP. Is there. 30 minutes. Okay, cool. So that's that there, done on the 30 minutes. That's that trade in. Let's see how it goes. Let's have a look at the again, we have US dollar news coming out at 1:30. So again, that doesn't affect us. And we have no NZD or we have no GBP news coming out today. So yeah, it looks like we're going to be triggered in very shortly on this. Let's have a look and see GBP CAD. Put it up onto the 4-hour. Nope, nothing going on there. Aussie NZD. Nope, nothing going on again. No. Nope. Nope. Yet. Nothing going on there either. NZD JPY. No. This has a little bit more to go. I'd like to see one more buying bar before I'll be looking at this. NZD CAD. NZD CHF. NZD CHF also has a potential trade here. Let's drop down to the 4-hour or the 30 minutes. Okay, again, there's a little bit of structure through here. There's a question is it going to hold? Entry there, long position. Once that bar finishes, that bar will finish now in 3 minutes. So entry there, 20 pips below. And there's 20 pips. Actually, I'd go a little bit less there. Okay, actually, I'm going to put a much smaller stop loss on this to get it to a 1-to-1. Right, I'll put it there. So it's not quite a 1-to-1. It's a 0.91. Okay, there's a 0.91. We've just been triggered into that trade there. So let's see how this one plays out. GBP NZD. Okay, let's see how that one plays out. Okay, so let's see how that one plays out. Let's see how it goes. And that one there is also setting up. Stop loss below the structure. pull back, looking for that to take off. So that's that. New, let me pop that in there as well into the group. This one long. Silver, nope, stay away from that. And gold also stay away at this present moment in time. We need to turn around. Let's have a quick look at the Nasdaq, S&P. Is there anything going on there in a smaller time frame? And absolutely no, not at the moment. There's nothing really here for us to trade on this at the moment. Sorry, UK 100. No German DAX. No, again, French CAC. Or the Caro. The Caro. And the Aussie 200. Nope. China. No. Japan 225. Oil. Let's see oil on the daily chart. So I don't know whether anyone has taken this or not, but there is a short on oil at the moment as well. Did I put that into the group? No, let me pop that in. Let's pop that in. Okay, cool. Everyone, it's been an absolute pleasure. At this present moment, we're 130 quid up on that trade at the moment. Yes, let's see if it continues. Brilliant. See you later, everyone. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.